Here to introduce you to the Sika 20 Crack Seal 2-component epoxy resin that can easily fill and seal non-structural cracks and cavities in structural concrete. With the Sika 20 Crack Seal, you can repair floor tile joints and treat leakages in wet rooms. It's perfect for use in concrete decks, balconies, concrete roof structures, wet rooms, swimming pools, and especially before waterproofing works. This solvent-free epoxy resin is suitable for use in both dry and damp conditions, making it a versatile solution for all your crack sealing needs. As it has a water-like consistency, it will penetrate to the full depth of the crack, unlike superficial treatments that only cover to the top of the crack. And using Sika 20 Crack Seal couldn't be easier. Start by widening the crack and removing any dust and dirt. Then, mix the components into a bottle and shake it slowly 20 times. Finally, apply the mixture onto the cracks and wait for it to dry.